Hi, I'm Amy Viziftar, and I'm the Director of Student Life here at Nashua Community College. Welcome. You may ask yourself, what is student life? And student life is basically extracurricular activities. Here at NCC, it can be on or off-campus activities, and it is completely generated by student interest from the students on campus. It could include things like going to the theater, doing a paint night, which is a ton of fun. Some of our clubs have gone to conventions like the PAX East Convention or the Anime Boston Convention. It can be as simple as gathering together and having a dinner, a paint night, going to the New Hampshire Fisher Cats or the New Hampshire Pride Day. We also have a lot of on-campus activities that you can do. We have a game room with an Xbox, and we have regular board games. We have card games like Magic the Gathering, and also chess, checkers, cards, Jenga, giant Jenga, and a lot of those types of games that are free and accessible to students at all times. Our clubs have done outside education series. Sometimes we've done a Halloween party. And it can be also just a pizza night, having pizza night for our students here on campus. And again, clubs and activities are based 100% on student interest. So whatever students want to do, they can basically do if they're willing to plan and organize it. We have clubs that are all funded by student activity fees. We have a good variety of clubs on campus, and it is always changing. Other than that, the Student Senate is also the governing body of Nashua Community College, and it represents the interests of the students here at the college, and it manages the activity budget for all of the students' clubs and organizations on campus. It also helps promote leadership and student and community engagement for Nashua Community College students.